lela penalty amajita alitholile it's all excellence yakamagidigidi. Excellence yakamagidigidi. Why ngisho njalo? Amagidigidi as a young 20-year-old striker, he was able to read the defender he was playing against. Akalazi la defender, but ukhonile ukulifunda aliride as a striker. That's what you need to do as a striker. You need to read the defender you are playing against and understand their movement and move better. That's what he did. Umfana ubonile ukuthi hayi man, lo number 4 each and every time makangathi uhlulwa ibhola uyashelela uyaslide. Each and every time uyaslide. He used lokho kuslide lokho against yena. Umenzeni? Ushaya ngathi ushaya ngako left kanti ubuya ngako right. Wenze ngathi uyisibhola ngako left kanti ubuyela ka right. Ala slide defender lamlahla phansi. Penalty. It's an excellence yakamfana uMagidigidi. At the age of 20, was able to tactically read that. He was able to read that. I read this defender adlala against wona ukuthi lenza. But at the end of the day, angeke ngiliblame la defender bafethu. He was the last line of defense for the team leyana. Lokhumbula le team yaqala ukungena ku under 20 club World Cup, ku under 20 World Cup. Yaqala ukungena. Kusho ukuthini? Kusho ukuthi they are under pressure nabo ukuthi bafuna ukuperform. But mina ngithi this on its own is an achievement. On its own is an achievement. Because you did something anyone angakayenzi ecountryni yakho. You became a part of World Cup. Under 20 World Cup, you became that. You became the sikushayela izandla bafethu. Asibashayela izandla labafana. Baspanile because bafika la abaspanile.